Me and my husband are here in the beautiful town of San Simeon.
Also, I know in the intro you said where we were, don't blow this spot up, this is my favorite spot in the world.
Doing some fishing! Yeah.
What?
We're here at this cute little pier. And we're gonna do some pier fishing and maybe some shore fishing. And I'm gonna take you guys along. So we've made it to our destination. We're out here visiting some family. So we fished here before, but obviously it was before this channel came about. So we're here now. It's in California State Park, San Simeon. This is where we're at. Got the ugly stick catfish on my Okuma Rockway. So I just gotta tie something on and then we'll see what we can get today. Something? That was a bite. We got a bite, guys. We got a bite.
Oh no, no, no. Oh, I got a fucking...
You got a snail!
Hey.
Oh no, a hermit crab! Is it? Or is it a snail?
Snail?
Oh. It's a snail! We got a snail!
I
didn't like that. I felt that time.
I have never before caught a snail. The hook was through him.
Show the camera.
The hook was through him.
Oh.
That wasn't the bites.
What do you got on here, nephew?
Just the normal double drop shot
With some squid.
with some squid, 3-pound dropper weight. The bait counts like shit. I should probably.
He's got a Daiwa rye rotor on a pen paddle 2 graphite. Pretty sick. Let's see you case. We're finally at the shore. I accidentally was filming in slow-mo for like 11 minutes, so that's awesome. Guys, this is editing Yazzie. It was actually 3 videos that were filmed in slow-mo, so I lost about like 45 minutes of footage because they were in slow-mo and I couldn't fix it, so I could not fix it. But anyways, enjoy the video. Oh. Found a pretty rock. There's a lot of jade that washes up in this shore. I'm kind of keeping an eye out for that. Is this jade?
To keep it.
Okay. Catching a single thing. There was not a single fish in the damn ocean, except for a snail. Regardless, it was still a very beautiful day today. Very nice to go out fishing and just be relaxed with my husband.
Hi.
Anyways, yeah, we're going home now. But maybe we'll do another fishing day tomorrow or Friday. We'll see. Bye, guys. Hey guys, me and my husband are in Santa Cruz and we're fishing.
We each caught 3 fish.
We caught a couple mackerel. I caught a white croaker. I wasn't filming though, because I wasn't planning on filming, but here I am.
It's really
and he caught something, but it flopped off.
Well, I
But
didn't catch it.
it's going good. It's going good, guys. More luck than in Southern California. I just caught a white croaker. See, now you're in my way. We're just fishing off the Santa Cruz wharf. It's going good. It's going good. We didn't have any bait coming in, and so we rigged up a sabiki. Oh, look, the lighthouse!
If you look to the right, you will see the Santa Cruz Walton Breakwater lighthouse with its active green light signature. Built in 2003, it's the one of the youngest lighthouses on the west coast. That's what I bring to these.
Yeah. What's it called? Phrenology? No.
Ferology.
Ferology. The study of light, or the liking of lighthouses. The study of lighthouses. I'm on some. I'm on some. Oh, this shit feels big. It might just be a. Oh, no, it's there. Get out of my way. Oh, I stepped on something. Yup. Yeah, it's another croaker. Another white croaker. Tiny little fucker.
That's a good one.
Okay, if I can... Stop! Give me a second. Give me a second. Would you like a croaker?
Hey, boss, you want a croaker?
It's my bait fish. That's what we got on the sabiki. We had another one. Pretty sure he's under here. Yeah, he's right there. We're doing good so far. Doing good. I've never had this much success out of here, ever. Besides, like, pancakes. Schools are in. It is bite hour right now.
We were sitting at the hotel. She turns to me, she goes, "Do you still want to go fishing?" And I'm like, "What do you mean?" She's like, "I'm feeling lazy." We almost didn't go.
Now I'm glad I came. Maybe I do have something on. No, I think they're just biting it. Oh no, I do have something on. Yay! Yup. I'm smashing these croaker. I'm gonna throw this one back. He deserves to live. Hold on, bro. Hold on. God damn it. Goodbye. I'm sure Ethan is jealous. He's at Oceanside right now. Probably catching nothing. Brought my microphone out finally after I missed it the last video. Beautiful day. Didn't that guy already drive past? I just filmed a time lapse, and within that time lapse, I caught 3 more mackerel. I'm up, we're up. We got slivers left of this here mackerel that my husband is gonna use the last of, and he's gonna catch 2 more! 2 more! He's catching 2 more! I'm calling it right now, so I'm done fishing. You want to keep going?
Well, I'm not gonna kill another one.
Yeah, I don't really want to kill another one, but yep. Good fishing day today. Good fishing day.
Almost the day that wasn't.
Almost the day that wasn't, because I got lazy.
There's tons of meat left on this guy.
Is there? Mainly just bone. Alright, well I have enough meat for 1 more cast. No. Stay. Pretty good sized mackerel too. I wish we were home. That way he can cook them up for himself. But yeah, fun fact, guys, I don't like fish.
Yeah, I was about to ask, does your audience know that you don't eat fish?
I don't eat fish. Isn't that ironic? But I love fishing. Yeah, I don't like fish. I'll eat ceviche. I'll eat canned tuna. But that's like the scope of my fish eating. I won't eat anything else. Another one? Fish? Yay! And we have evidence of now 2. Yeah. Did you get 2? Oh, you got 1. Yeah.
He's fucking gone.
No! No!
Counting that or no?
I'd count it. It was on video. It was on video. You might have crossed me. I'm somewhere. Don't know where. Yeah! You also, I'm crossed with you.
Yeah.
No. Yay! Look at you!
So technically I did catch 2. Well, the second one, that first one doesn't count. Hey buddy, come down. Oh, it's a croaker.
Nice! Yeah! Oh, I got one. I think.
Alright buddy.
I got one.
Fish on, fish on.
Oh, golly. Oh, I got 2! I got 2! Oh, one fell off. Damn it. I got a tiny little guy. Woohoo! Help me. Help me. Help me.
You learn how to get your own fish off the dang hook.
Hell nah. I got 2, but one fell off.
Come on, buddy.
Thank you for your patronage. Probably macking on it though. I can't see where I am. I can't see where I am. Oh, there I am. I have scraps of bait. I don't think I'll get anything else. I'm gonna turbo launch it now! Another one! Fish, 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 fish.
You guys need fish?
Fish, fish, fish. Oh! Fish. Show the camera. What is that? Is that a mackerel?
It's not. Oh, is it?
Or is it a jack smelt?
What is it? Is a jack smelt.
Oh, nice.
I think. Let us know.
Let us know in the comments what that is. Oh, I got one. Oh, he fell off. I had one, but he fell off. Oh no, I still have it. Hello. Hello, my friend. It's a good sized one. I did get a croaker, another good sized croaker. Bye. Whoa, that shit was huge.
Oh.
You gotta. What? Dude, but that thing that came up in the fucking water was about to eat it. Did you see that? Holy shit. A sand dab. And we're just talking about them.
It's the dabby boy.
Aw, it sucks that you have to let it go. Wow. Guys, that concludes our fishing trips of the week. Do you have anything to say?
I like fishing.
I do too. Hope you guys enjoy this, I guess, 2-part video. You guys will definitely see more videos of us and of just the Casterman in general. Yeah. Bye!